Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. And yes, we're going on with the 141R. Stage number. So we've got all these parts for the right hand side of the car, of that train. If you remember from the last time, was it? Nope, the other way around. We're putting that one on, and we're putting this one. Yeah, so this is that way. Put it on with the R up. Then we're putting this one on with that like so. Then let's start with the ABM. Then one of those LMs. So we've got that together. And then we're going to put that one on top of it. But we return it to the other side. Well, yeah, that's easier. And put an AM on that. I don't know how tight that should be. And we can always untighten that. So at least let's leave that there. Let's put that there. Put that on the lower one of the two. Put a LM in there. Get that smaller screw head out. Try it with a bigger screwdriver. Usually that works. I need to have, and what I'm doing is having a look right there, see how far it's in, and I can push it in a little bit more, twist it in a little bit more. Now it's too tight. Now we undo a little bit, and there we go. That's in neatly. Next one is that one, and we're putting it on right there with a KM, the new one. Screw head is pretty big, but it's pretty small. Let's try that again, because that didn't go too well when I pushed that in first. A bit of casting lines and stuff like that. Oh, that's very tight. Let's undo that bit. There we go. And that is what we have and made in that stage. So let's put these things away. That is the last page, which I always really like these pictures that they put in. So thank you very much for that, and thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on any of those. The one that is right in front of me right now, or any of those on my channel. So have a look at my channel and join me next time when I do some more building. Thank you very much. See you next time.